In this video, I'll show you how to quickly set up your HP ScanJet Pro N4600 fnw1 scanner step by step, whether you're installing it for the first time or reconnecting it to your computer or Wi-Fi network. This guide will help you complete the setup easily and correctly. Let's get started. Step 1. First, place your scanner on a flat and stable surface. Make sure the location is well ventilated, dust-free, away from direct sunlight, and within a temperature range of 15 to 30 degrees Celsius. Choosing the correct location improves performance and increases the life of your scanner. Step 2. Now, carefully remove the scanner from the box. Inside the package, you should find the HP ScanJet Pro N4600 fnw1 scanner, power adapter, power cable, setup documentation. Remove all protective tape and packing materials from the scanner before continuing. Step 3. Next, connect the power cable to the power adapter. Then, plug the adapter into a wall outlet or surge protector. After that, connect the power supply cable to the back of the scanner. Press the power button to turn the scanner on. You should see the green LED indicator light up. Step 4. Now, select how you want to connect your scanner to your computer. The HP ScanJet Pro N4600 fnw1 supports 3 connection methods: USB connection, wireless connection, wired LAN connection. Let's go through each option. Option 1. USB connection setup. If you're using a Windows computer, do not connect the USB cable yet. Wait until the software installation asks you to connect it. If you're using Mac OS, you can connect the USB cable immediately. Option 2. Wireless setup. Recommended. The N4600 fnw1 supports built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. On the scanner touchscreen, select your preferred language first, then choose your Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Wait while the scanner connects to the network. Once connected successfully, your scanner will be ready for wireless scanning. Make sure your computer and scanner are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Option 3. Wired LAN network setup. If you prefer a wired network connection, connect an Ethernet cable to the LAN port on the back of the scanner. Wait a few minutes for the scanner to receive a network address, then complete the language setup on the touchscreen panel. Once connected, the LAN icon will appear on the scanner display. Your wired network setup is now complete. Step 5. Now, open a browser on your computer and go to hp.com/support. Search for HP ScanJet Pro N4600 fnw1. Download the latest drivers and scanner software for your operating system. After downloading, open the installer file, follow the on-screen instructions, select your connection type when prompted, complete the installation. Once finished, your scanner is ready to use. Step 6. Load a document into the automatic document feeder. Open HP scanning software on your computer, then click Scan. Your first scan should now complete successfully. And that's it! Your HP ScanJet Pro N4600 fnw1 scanner is now fully set up and ready to scan. If you need help with driver installation, wireless connection issues, or scanner errors, our support team is here to assist you. Our experts are available to help you step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who may need scanner setup support. Thanks for watching.